Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Target SBA. Today we are going to do our to-do list day 21 ka score booster topics simplifications. First question, square root of 2209 which is 47 square plus 1314 divided by 73 minus 40% of 785. 2 into 157 equals to x minus 15 square 225. 73 one time and 18 times. Now 47 plus 18 plus 225 which is 290 minus 314 equals to x. Therefore x equals to minus 24. This is our first question answer. Second one, 14 into 14 into 48 divided by square root of 1764 which is 42. 14 3 times 3 16 times. This is 224. Total equals to x plus 74. Therefore x equals to 150. This is second one. Third one, 6.25% means 1 by 16 into 948 plus 588 which is 1536 plus 11 square 121 equals to x percent of 1225 minus 14 9 times 126. Now 16 9 times 16 6 times. Okay, 96 plus 121 plus 126 we get 343 equals to x by 100 into 1225. Now 25 4 times 25 4 times 9 times. This is 7 times. Therefore x equals to 28. This is our answer. Going for fourth question, 2.5 into 288. First we do 2 times of 288 which is 576 plus 0.5 into 288 which is 144. 576 plus 144 total 720 plus 35% of 76 which is 7 into 20 38. 7 into 38 we'll get 7 986 equals to x percent of 2800 plus 790. Therefore 720 plus 986 minus 790 equals to 28x. X equals to 196 by 28 which is 7 times. This is our answer. Fifth one, 24 square plus 37 square minus 42 square plus 19 square equals to 6x plus root over 676. Now 24 square 576 plus 37 square 1369 minus 42 square 1764 plus 19 square 361 plus 676 means here 26 times. Now the total is 5, difference is 5, 1, 6 equals to 6x. 6, 8 times 6 times equals to x. Therefore our answer is 86. Now we are going for approximations. Approximations, first question answer. 344 divided by 4.99 means 345 divided by 5 plus 144 divided by 9. This is 16 times 5, 69 times. 69 plus 16, 85 is our answer. First one answer is 85. Second one, 459.85 means 460 plus 519.92, 520 equals to x percent of 1399.92 means 14x, 14 70 times. Therefore x is equals to 70. Third one, 43.99 means 44 into 20.0 means 20 minus 143.9 divided by 6 means 1440 divided by 6, 24 0, 240 times 880 minus 240, 40, 640 is our answer. Now fourth one, square root of question mark into 359.8 means 360 divided by 12.01 means 1230 times equals to 289 minus 109.92 means 110,971, 179. This is approximately 60 times, 6 times. Therefore question mark is equals to 6 square, 36 is our answer. Fifth one, 40% of 249, 4 by 10 of 249 divided by 4. Let it be 250 divided by 4, 4, 4, 10, 10, okay. Plus question mark equals to 6.99 square means 7 square, 49. Therefore question mark is equals to 49 minus 25, 4, 24. This is our answer. Now we are going to do quadratic equations. First one, x square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. 3 times and the roots are positive. Y square minus 5y plus 6 equals to 0. 3 2 times. By comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y. Second one, 15x square plus 18x plus 1 equals to 0. This is, wait, 15x square plus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. The roots are in negative. And y square minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. The roots are in positive. Therefore x is lesser than y. This is the second one. Third one, x square minus 9x plus 20 equals to 0 means 4 5 times and the roots are positive. Y square minus 13y minus 90 equals to 0. 18 5 times and the roots are positive and negative. By comparing these two, x lesser than y, x greater than y. So no relation. Question number 4. 2x square minus 7x minus 4 equals to 0. 8 means 8 1 times plus 8 minus 1. and y square minus 25y plus 136 is equals to 0. Here 136, 17 times of 8. We must need to learn 20 into 20 tables compulsory for these quadratic equations to solve fast. Okay. Here the base is 2, so we must multiply this with 2. This is 34 and plus 34 plus 16. By comparing these two, we get x lesser than y. Okay, we go for fifth question. 3x square minus 20x plus 12 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive. And 5y square plus 15y plus 10 equals to 0. Here the roots are negative. So x is greater than y. This is our fifth one. Now we are going for wrong number series. Wrong number series. First one 24, 12, 20, 45, 157.5, 7708.75. Here this is half times. Here we don't know, here also don't know. It is 3 by 2, let it be 3 by 2. It is 6 3s are 18, 5 by 2, 9 5, okay, 45. This is 7 by 2, which is 1 by 2. 315 divided by 2 means, okay, right. So our wrong number is 20. Second one 20, 45, 91, 183, 367, 735. 367, 735 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 5 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So wrong number is this. Our right number is 22. Third one 7, 56, 92, 120, 133, 142, 49, 36, 28, 13, 9. 3 square, 6 square, 7 square. This must be 5 square and this must be 4 square. So if it is not 28 and if it will be 25, then this is the wrong number and we get the right number is 117. 117 plus 16 equals to 1336. 133. Okay. So wrong number is 120. Fourth one 6, 20, 90, 440, 1900, 10940. It is clear that this is into 5 times minus 10 into 5 times minus 10. So this must be into 5. 6 5 is 30 minus 10. Okay. Into 5. 2200 minus 10. 2200 minus 10 means 2190, not 1900. So wrong number is 1900. This is into 5 minus 10. True. Fifth one 11, 12, 20, 31, 49, 79, 70. Here the difference is 1, 8, 11, 18, 30, not 70 here, 30. Here double difference is 7, 3, 7. So it must be 3. So this is the wrong number. So this is the wrong number. So right number is 70. Now we are going for missing number series. Missing. తప్పిపోయింది. సారీ, ఐ am తెలుగు person. Okay, now we are going for missing number series. Question 170. Question number 1, 170, 395, 795 dash 2320. Here the difference is 225, 15 square. Here the difference is 400, 20 square. It must be 25 square, 625. So adding 625 to 795, which is 0, 2, 4, 1420. 1424, 1420 is our answer. Question number 2, 123, 147, 173 dash 262. Here the difference is, no, we don't go for the reference. Here the numbers are very easily identified. 11 square plus 2. This is 12 square plus 3. This is 13 square plus 4. So here must be 14 square plus 5, which is 201. This is our missing number. Going for third question. 4320, 4300. Sorry. 4300. Going for third question. 4320 dash 4260, 4180, 4020, 3700. Here the difference is 80. Difference is 160. Difference is 320. So it must be 40. This is 20. So 4300 is our answer. Fourth one. 6300, 900, 150, 30 dash into 7 times, into 6 times, into 5 times. So this must be into 4 times, which is 7.5. This is our missing number. Fifth one. 963, 1103, 1253, 1413 dash. Here the difference is plus 140, plus 150, plus 160. So it must be 170. 1583 is our answer. Okay, missing number series over. Now we are going for inequalities. For inequalities, we don't need any paperwork. We'll go through the questions directly. Here are the questions. D to J, D to A is possible, A to J not possible. L to K, L to A to K, this is possible. Q to A, Q to A not possible, only to K to U. K, where is K? K to U, K to R, R to Q. First one is possible. B to Q, B to R, R to Q, this is also possible. L to N, L to R, R to N, this is also possible. All the three. O to A, O to L, L to A. First one is possible. T to Q, T to Q not possible. K to A, K to A, K to A. Z, Z is possible, no other possible, not possible. Q to W, Q to F, B, A. Here this is B, B to I, I to W, not possible. Neither one nor to W to S, not possible. N to J, not possible. P to A, not possible. None of these follows. Now we go for syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question. Only a few red or yellow. Only few red or yellow. All yellow or white. Some white or blue. Conclusions. No red is white. First one. No red is white. No, it is not possible. Some yellow can be blue. Some yellow can be blue. Okay. Third one. Third conclusion is all white can be blue. All white can be blue. Yes, both 2 and 3. Second one, only a few Y or Z, some Z or B, some B or J. Conclusions, all Z can be J, all Z can be J possible. Second one, no Z is J, Z J no. Third one, some Y being B is possibility, some Y being B is possibility. 1 and 3 is possible. Only few Oppo or Vivo, no Vivo is Samsung, some Samsung or Redmi, some Samsung or Redmi. Conclusions, some Redmi are not Vivo, all Redmi are Vivo, no, as it is true. Second one, some Oppo can be Redmi, some Oppo can be Redmi, it is also possible, both 1 and 2. Fourth one, only a few horse are duck, all duck is zebra, some duck are rabbit. Okay. Conclusion 1, some rabbit are zebra, some rabbit are zebra, true. Second one, no zebra is a horse, no zebra is a horse, no, false. So only one follows. Fifth one, only few lamp are light, some light are fan, some fan are bright. Conclusions, some bright can be light, some bright can be light, true. Second one, some no lamp is bright, no lamp is bright, no, false. So only one is true. Now we have completed our day 21 to-do list score booster topics. Let's see day 22 score booster topics tomorrow. Hope you all doing these questions very faster. If you have any doubts, please contact me through the Telegram link that given in the description and also in comment sections. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Target SBA. Bye bye.